What if I told you there was a watch that was able to withstand the pressure of up to 2,000 feet? A watch that is not only stylish, but had to pass 10 different shock tests before being released. A watch that isn't just a display piece, but able to withstand the impact of 6,000 Gs, which is 2,000 more than your average car crash. A watch with a Swiss movement, a sapphire bezel, and 7 layers of C3 lume. Do I have your attention yet? This is the Ocean Crawler. The specs of this watch are as follows. The case diameter, excluding the crown, is 44 millimeters. It has a case thickness of 15.6 millimeters, a lug-to-lug of 50 millimeters, and a lug width of 22 millimeters. The case material is 316L surgical grade stainless steel. It has an automatic helium escape valve at the 9 o'clock position. The bezel is a unidirectional rotating sapphire bezel with 120 clicks, and it has C3 Swiss Luminova markers. It has a 4mm thick sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating. The movement is a Swiss-made Sellita SW200-1. The frequency is 28,800 vibrations per hour, and the water resistance is 600 meters, or 2,000 feet. The pros and cons of this watch are as follows. Pro. Not only is this watch stylish, but it's incredibly useful. A Hearty dive watch that you can bring anywhere and use for anything. The colors make a bold statement and allow you to not only spice up your collection, but also generate a lot of compliments from onlookers in the making. Con. As much as I love the shark mesh strap, I'm too fucking skinny to wear it. I took off all the links and everything and I micro adjusted it, and still it was way too big for my 6-inch wrist. However, this allowed me to rock it on that beautiful leather strap, so I can't really complain too much, but I did really want to wear it on the shark mesh bracelet. Pro. This box might be the best looking presentation box I've seen in a very long time. It's a mixture of this beautiful lacquered wood with leather, and it's stitched together perfectly, and honestly, it's just a high quality looking box that I think gets you really excited about getting into this watch, because you know it's going to be a quality piece if the box looks as incredible as it does. Pro. It is very heavy duty. Now, we all know that weight doesn't attribute to quality. However, in this case, you want something that's able to take a beating. So it does kind of add to the value of this piece. It's such a heavy diver's watch, and I think that kind of makes you feel like more confident while wearing it, that it's not just going to fold over or tin up, you know, if you have it diving or whatever you're doing, whatever sport activity you are using this watch for. Pro. The lume is there. It's highly visible, the bezel is loomed up, which I really like, and it's ready to be read at any low light situation, and you know I'm just a sucker for the greatest lume. I think this lume is hands down worth it. Con. It's a little thicker than I wanted it to be. It's not like overbearing, it's a little thicker than what I am used to when it comes to dive watches. I wish this watch was just a little bit thinner, and I would like it a lot more. Pro. This case back is very well built. It's engraved. It's not just like a little thin engraving. It's actually fully engraved, and all the details are worked out perfectly with, I believe, Neptune fighting a Kraken, and I think the details are amazing, and the quality is just there. Con. Now, I know these colors aren't for everyone. I know orange and blue can be kind of hard to pull off. However, the beauty of this watch is that you can get it in multiple different colorways. So there's a watch for everyone within this collection. And they're all limited editions, so it makes it that much more special to own one. And finally, we're going to end on a pro. Quality for money is definitely there. Now, these watches go for $999 on Ocean Crawler's website, and truthfully, this watch and the way it's presented is definitely worth the money. This watch is 100% on par with the money. It is quality, it is built to last, it is a solid movement, a great spec sheet, and I think, the $999 is not that bad. However, if you want to get this watch at a more affordable price, check out my website at notawatchsnob.com, where you can get the special subscriber discount. If you type in "I subscribed" in all caps, you'll even get the lowest price possible on the internet. So go ahead and go over to notawatchsnob.com and you can pick up your very own Ocean Crawler watch. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. I love talking to you guys. And I'm not a watch snob, and neither are you. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.